candles that have been sprouting up. So these are the candles that have sprouted up since Drakeo the Ruler died a couple nights ago. Tonight is Monday. So right on the other side of this gate, right about where that semi truck is over there, is where the stage was. And then over here, this is Hoover Street right here. And Hoover Street had a fence around it and it was blocked off. They blocked this whole street off for this concert. This is the back of the stage right here, where it went down. But I've read in reports that the stabbing happened on the street that was behind the stage, which would be this street right here. And here on King Boulevard and Hoover Street is where the candles are starting to pop up.